महाराष्ट्र पनत रे पेला खन हो बाड़ती हड़ आकुआ कामी खन को सहा दाड़िया चेदा से वेदांता-फॉक्सकॉन जौथो उद्देगते सेमिकंडक्टर फैसिलिटी स्थापन लगिते गुजरात पनत को बचाव कदा और ओना विरोध कते जातीयतावादी कांग्रेस पार्टी ओना प्रकल्प महाराष्ट्र खन गुजरात स्थानांतर लगी विरोध को उदुग कदा आयुरी लेकते ओंडे सेटर तहां कनाय एनसीपी मेन नेशनलिस्ट कांग्रेस पार्टी रन सांसद सुप्रिया सुले तहां कना उनी मेना कदा है महाराष्ट्र सनाम राजारी दल मिट कते ओना विरोध रे लड़ाई हुई
disappointment, frustration, anger, clearly because over 3 lakh young dynamic students on merit would have got jobs and opportunities and they are going to be deprived of it.
So will you be hitting the street across the state now?
No, we are going to try our best and we don't want to make this political. As a matter of fact, we think in one voice, all of Maharashtra, all political parties should get together and fight this with the central government. The Honorable Chief Minister today was an integral part of the earlier government. What was he doing then? Why didn't he say anything then?
So are you holding responsible the Chief Minister?
Clearly, the buck stops at him because he's the present Chief Minister and he's been a Chief Minister for over